my pretty people. Welcome back to Penny's Pretty Plans with me. I'm Penny, in case you didn't catch that. We are doing another cash stuffing. I have $842 right here that I guess I could try to find my cash tray. Not find it, but I can't speak. It is covered under a bunch of my planner stuff, so I didn't want to dig it out. So we'll just lay all the money out here. I have made some changes to what I got going on. As you can see, I have my wallet and I have one binder. So we are just working with one binder for I don't know how long. I am doing this because I want to work on my credit, like bring it up. You know, we are buying a house this year. I'm putting it out there into the universe. It's on my vision board, all that. We're buying a house this year. We were just going to put it in my husband's name because his credit is like excellent. But you know, either way, my credit needs to be better. I'm hovering around 600 or so, and I just want to bring it up. So with that being said, my husband is taking over the power bill and the phone bill for me, and that it's around $400, maybe $450 a month is going to be going towards my active credit card debt. So I owe like $1,100 to Torrid and right around $4,000 on my MasterCard. I did go ahead and take out $1,000 from all of my binders and made a large payment, $600 on my MasterCard, $300 on Torrid, and then I got paid. I went on and paid another $200 on Torrid, so that's coming down wonderfully. And I am just going to be doing this one binder with these few envelopes. So I still have my utilities, water, Comcast, and then my gym is not a utility, but I just counted in there. And then for bills, I have my Boys and Girls Club for my son is $72. I have my Blue Green, which is $100 a month. And then I have, I am going to be putting like $50 a month away for like if we need extra, if the power bill is outrageous, you know, or something like that. And then like on the month that we pay our car insurance every 6 months, so that's going to be like $800 that he's going to have to pay. So I'll take care of those bills when that time comes. So I'm going to be doing that. Miscellaneous is, what is miscellaneous? Spending. So y'all know I have all my envelopes and I spend out of my envelopes all the time, like family fund, my son's envelope, all those things like that I spend out of all the time. So I'll just be putting $50 a paycheck into that to where I can spend out of it, and it's not going to any specific category. Health is my medical sinking fund. I still do want to save towards that because that is important. And then housing is all of my my pantry, my freezer, my toiletries funds. So instead of having those separate envelopes, we'll just put it in there. Savings is my February, well, not my February, but my 2023 Friday Savings Challenge. I can't remember if y'all seen that before or not. I did do a whole Savings Challenge video where I put like $200 and something towards all the savings challenges that I'm doing this year. And then like the next week I decided that I was doing this, so I took most of that money back out. So I didn't even bother to post that. And then I do have my Make It Rain and then my 50 envelope. And then I did take some money out of my 50 envelope when I did my $1,000 bill, you know, towards my bills. So we'll go ahead and get started. Utilities is getting $86. And again, that is for my water, Comcast, and my gym. Oh, and then I did get these envelopes. You know how when you buy binders on Amazon, they come with envelopes? That's where these came from. So I couldn't tell you which binder I bought because I've purchased a million over the years. So, yeah. All right. So, for bills, let's see. For other, which is my, what is it? My Georgia Power and my T-Mobile, I'm putting 25. For Blue Green, I am putting 50. And for Boys and Girls Club, I am putting 36. And I do still have some money in my other envelopes. Like my birthday envelope still has some money in it because my son's birthday is next month. The summer envelope still has some money in it. My self-care envelope, because I'm going to get a massage next week. So I do still have some money in there, but I'm not putting any towards any special funds, if that makes sense. My miscellaneous is getting 50. Is that right? Yes. Medical is getting 20. Oh, and then I guess I should move. Let me get what I got. Get what I got and put it in there. Because I did. I took some money out of here too. Out of all of them, basically. I took something. Like I had 250, I think. Or maybe I had 245. I took 100. So, yeah. So I have 1, 20, 40, 65. 165 in medical. All right. In my housing, this was, oh, I forgot the gas too. This was these, my freezer, my pantry, my toiletries, stock up. I had 15. Oh, I had 15. I thought I only had 10. I had 15 left over from when I did my last stock up. So, yeah, so freezer, I am going to go ahead. I'm going to give it 15. And let me get a marker. And I will color in these ribs. So I got 15 in there. I plan to put 25 in this envelope. I'm going to put $2 in gas. And now I have 27. If you remember, last time you saw I had over 50. I did take out of here too. Okay. Toiletries, I'm going to put 3. I ran out of ones. I hope I don't need any anywhere else. Okay, so now toiletries just has 3. And then, let's see, I did, how much did I do? I did 15. So that's 20. And then I'll go ahead and put another 5 into my pantry. And then I'll color in a 10 since I already had another 5 in there that I didn't realize that I had. Okie dokie. That is that. Okay, for my February, I am doing 3 and 10. Oh, I did need ones. Okay, so how do we want to do that? What I'll do, I'll still just mark it with the X, 3 and 10. 10. I'll put 15 and then next time when I get paid, instead of doing 17, I'll shit. I'll just have to remember that I need to not put $2 in there, and hopefully I will remember that. Okay, so now for my Friday savings challenge, has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 81. 81, but should be 83. Is that right? No, 84. Should be 84. Okay. My Make It Rain is getting 10, because it has rain, and it's raining now. It's rained the past like the past 3 days. So I now have 20, 35, and then I wanted to give my 50 envelope 150, but I'm gonna have to color this in, because I had 83. I took out 40, which means that I had 88, and I took out 40, which means now I have 38, 48. I have 48. So I'll have to no, okay, no, let's not do that way. Let me get my calculator. Okay. Oh no. Okay, I was trying to find that button. I know that's a 6. It's in my drawer. I'll just have to find it. So I have 1, 50, 70, 90, 95, 6, 7, 8. I have 198 minus 50 minus 38. So I have 110 to color in. So let me get my markers. And let's see, what do we want to do? I'm going to do 49. Oop. 49, 48, 13. Worked out perfectly. Okay, so yes, what did I say? I had 150, 70, 95, 198. And then so it is important to me to go ahead and knock this out again, this 50 envelope challenge, and that way I can put this, I want to put maybe like 400 or 500 towards the debt, and then the rest towards whatever sinking funds I have to apply them to. So yeah, that is all for that binder. And then my wallet, let's see, I am putting 200 in groceries because groceries are ridiculous and 150 no longer cuts it. Eating out is getting 50. And hopefully I won't use this. I have been doing much better about bringing my lunch and having a smoothie for breakfast. Let's see. Gas is getting 50. I am getting 20. And miscellaneous is getting 5. And then, let's see, $50. I am getting ready to go take my friend to brunch for her birthday. It is today, so we are going to do that. So that is that. Why do I have $20 left over? Oh, what is not adding up? Oh, and then I do have $5 left over from my wallet from last paycheck, so I'm putting that towards brunch. That could be like the tip or something. Okay, so utilities is supposed to get 86, 20, 40, 60. Up, there we go, right there. I did 66, so that was easy. Okay, so let me make sure that is right. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86. Okay, so that is all of my money, and I will do a debt update for you guys. I don't know. I mean, I didn't really do a whole debt video, did I? Anyway, that is it. That is all. Hope you enjoyed. Wish me luck with my credit journey. If you have any tips on things that I can do to raise my credit score, not necessarily fast, but I would appreciate some fast raising here. So, yeah, put some tips and tricks or whatever down in the comments. Oh, and then if anybody knows, I have some medical debt in collections, but then my husband was telling me that that doesn't count towards your credit score anymore. I'm going to do some research, but just in case, if anybody knows if that's true or how that works, let me know that too, because I need all the help that I could get. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all next time. Bye.